guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again. I hope everyone's doing well and that everyone's staying safe. I'm a bit behind the mini kit Monday kit reveal, but I'm here to show you what I put together, and hopefully it will all work out. It's a little big-ish, if you will, but you know me, I always try to put as many items as I can, so I could go ahead and have a little bit more flexibility when I create my layouts. So what I have here is a sticker. It is by Moments. It's a Tuesday morning haul. I got this last year, and we are working on some of my cruise picture stills. So here you go. This is again a sticker from Tuesday morning, another sticker from Tuesday morning, Wild Heart. It's rose gold. These are the stickers that are included in this package. Another item that I'm bringing on today is another Wild Heart ephemera pieces, and it's all tropical items, so these are what's in them. And then we got some sightseeing here. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and so we got this, and this is hopefully we'll be able to use this. And then of course another Hobby Lobby haul, and this is $2.99. I think I got this on sale for half off. So Mexico. So I'm going to show you some papers here that I'm going to use, and this papers here, oh my gosh, you guys, I saw this. I've had this for a while now, and I think I bought this from Joann's. This is Like It's For The View Pocket Blossom, and oh my goodness, guys, this got the cutest flower prints. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. Look at them. It's a lot of items here that I could choose for cards. A lot of papers here, I should say, that I could use for cards. But this are the papers in this pad. Not sure if this is still available at Joann's, but this is where I got this is again Pocket Blossom. And from this pad, I actually pulled out this paper here. Isn't that pretty? And then this is another paper from the same paper pad. And then pink one. And you know what, guys? I forgot to show you the inspiration for this kit. Let me insert it right now. So anyway, guys, let me go continue with our papers that I pulled out from the pad. And this is another one. So it's more summery kind of feel. So I tried to, as much as possible, bring out summery kind of papers. So I pulled as many as I can, or what I thought would go with the pictures that I'm planning to add on. And again, these are still from the pad. Look how beautiful they are, guys. And look at that. I love it. And then love this one. Not sure if I'm going to be able to use that, but hey, this is one that I really liked. How pretty, right? So anyway, that's from the pad. This kit here, or these papers here, are from Bella Boulevard. This is an older item, or an older kit, and it is actually Addison kit. And this is the Free Spirit paper. I got two here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use two, but anyway, there's the back. I got this polka dot paper too, and let's see what the back is. That's the back. It's jewels. Not sure if I'm going to use that, but this one I'm thinking I'll definitely use. So this is the back. I love it. And then I don't plan to use this part of the paper, but rather use this. So this is the back, and I'm planning to use this one. And then look at this Jelly Bean coordinating label stickers. I love all these colors here. They're so cute. It's perfect for summer, right? Anyway, I got some cardstocks here. They're a mix. They're from That Guts with a View, American Crafts, and Basil. And then one, I forgot what the brand is, but mostly these are Basil papers and American Crafts. So I have some white papers here that I plan some of them to use as base. And then I got some cardstocks here that I thought would go with the kit. And I got them in multiples, and these are the colors. And I'm planning to either this time, if you notice, I only brought this one as the alphabet sticker. I plan to actually cut out the dice or the alphabet titles for the layouts, because I don't have this pretty colors, this pretty bright colors. I try to keep my thickers in neutral. I do have some in colored, but I do not have this bright colors for the summer. Anyway, guys, I hope you like the kit reveal, and we will see you for the next 4 videos to create the layouts. Might spill over to September, I'm not sure. But anyway, guys, this is my kit, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you haven't subscribed yet, guys, we're trying to grow our family here at My Scrappiness. I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. And that's it for now. You guys be safe, wear your mask, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.